Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. My name is Maggie, and today we are going to be making what I like to call lazy pretzels. We're actually just going to be using canned biscuits for this, so you don't have to make the dough from scratch. You would never know that this is like canned biscuit dough. It tastes exactly like pretzels, like soft pretzels. I love it. I know you'll love it. So enjoy. Bye.
Occasionally, I need to breathe. Stop me for a second, I got needs. Occasionally, I set them free. Don't hold me back now, I'm in the lead. This part, so cold life. This part, so cold life. What a time to be alive. Lately, I've been dancing on my own, so brave.